Hello, am I speaking to Leito? Hello, kabi ke Leito, ani mo? Hi, I'm sorry, I'm not. May I know whom I'm speaking to? Hi, ava poi ve Leito kani lo tlat. Tunge kabi ke katret hayang em. I'm Lucy, Leito's sister. How can I help you? Lucy kaniya Leito unaunu. Yes, I would like to have a word with him. Oh, biakna dewa. No problem. Just be on the line. I'll go and call him. Poi lawe, lo vuan lok la, kapakaw lok ang eh. Of course, I'll be on hold. Tereng may kalau vuan ang eh. Hello, I'm really sorry he's not around. Would you mind? Can you call after some time? Hello, apoy le may. Hello, lawa. Poi iti lo chuan nakina ilaw call le may dona mi. Could you tell me when shall I call him back? Hindi ka nge kalau call le thayang. Maybe another 15 minutes. Or else shall I ask him to give you a call back? Miss Song pangan hu vela aniyang ani lo pon lo call to chain kalau sildo na mi. Sounds great. That should be better, I guess. Tralutuk chuchu athat job karing. Definitely. I'll inform him once he get back. Tereng may alo ho huna. Kalau sildo niya. Okay, bye. Ole, ani pot o. Clinic appointment book dan le. Phone call lo chan le dan. Hey hi claimin adang lam dewa. Company ani awangin trong kam moi ngai deu man thin ani. Uluk dewin yen don niya. LHR laser hair removal appointment book dan. Hi, good morning. Thanks for calling Red Clinic. Leito here. How may I assist you? Hi, Chibay le Red Clinic ilaw ko labang kan loma. Leito kaniya witay na che kanayem. I'm Lucy. Am I speaking to Red Clinic? Lucy kaniya kabi ki Red Clinic kanayem? Yes. How may I assist you? Oh niye witay na che kanayem. Yes, I would like to book appointment for LHR. What time do you have a slot? Oh, LHR ti kadua eng hunange ati thayang. Certainly, ma'am. Could you hold a line a moment while I transfer your call to the concerned person? Tereng may kapi. Ibiyak tu diktat ngena i-call ka transfer to phone ni lo vuan lok thayang em. Sure. Go ahead. Tereng may transfer ro. Transfer to the right person. Biak tu diktat nena phone call su transfer ah. Hello ma'am. Thanks for being on hold. I hope you're looking for LHR appointment today. Hello kapi phone ilo phone awangin lom thu ka soya. Voina LHR appointment hidu nin kalau ria. Yes. What time do you have a slot today? Oh ni voina eng huna nge ati thayang. Could you tell me what time would you like to drop in? Eng tik huna nge ilo kaldu min sul thayang em. What about post lunch? Around 3 o'clock. Soon so ezo datum vela. Certainly ma'am. Please hold a line a moment. Well, I'm checking the slot. Tereng may kapi. Kung ngayon slot ka en sung phone ilaw vuan lok thayang em. Of course. Tereng may. Thanks for being your patient. So slot is available at your preferred time. Hido thay na hawangin lom thu kasoye. Chuan idu huna tak chuan hun all itan chuan ome. Thank you so much for accommodating me. Kalom ple mai min lo hre thiama min lo don san thei awangin.
We are here for you, Mom. As I told you, your appointment is confirmed at Red Clinic. Please come down, we'll take care of you. Itana lom kan kapi chuan Red Clinic I appointment hi confirm ania local la kan lo buai puyang che. Thank you so much. Kalom lutuke. One more thing, man. As you coming for the first time, I would like to request you to come alone. Thil pakhat le lok kapi evoi khat local na ani awangin nang ma local turin kangen du che ani. Of course, no problem. Te reng mai apoi lo. Thank you so much for calling Red Clinic. See you soon. Red Clinic lo kola wangin lo tu kan riu che kanim thuai don nia. Did you know Lucy called you? Lucy na lo call cheka HM. No, when did she call? I hello, eng tika nge alo kola. 2 hours ago, I think. Karin dan chuan dar kar ni vela liam tawng. Is it 2 hours ago? Why don't you tell me earlier? Dar kar ni aliam tawng mo? Ngatinge apa khan min sil dei to lawa. So sorry, I completely forgot. Kati palutu kalau thei ngil min trakalom le. What did she say? Enge alo soya. She said she's waiting you at her sister's place. Una nu te ina. Alo ma tu thu che soya. Okay, I'm gonna cook dinner first, but I don't think I have enough time now. Ole, Zandria tur kasiam ha sapotanga ma se hun kanai ka pahan ring lawem. If she calls again, please tell her I'm gonna be late. Alo call le ani chuan katlai deu don ti hilo thil mai don nia. It's okay, no problem. Te reng mai buena lo. This is very important. Don't forget please. Thei hi apoi mo te ania. Khonga yin thei ngil suang che o. Don't worry, I won't forget it. Lungai su ka thei ngil lawang. Actually, would you please lend me my phone? I think I should give her a call now. She's probably wondering where I am. Ani chuan khonga yin ka phone ka min lo pe theyang em ka biakna langa yani ani lo chuan ka omna hrilawin alo buai lutukang. Okay, that's a great idea. Wait a second, I'll go and get your phone. Ole, chu ngai tu na thatak ani I phone chu ka walange. Okay, thank you so much. Ole, kalom lutuke. Hi, I got a missed call. That's why I call you back. Hi, missed call alo uma chu bang chuan kalau call let che.
I'm a bit busy. Can you call after sometimes? Kabuai deu leka nakina min lo call mai dona mi. She didn't respond the call, so I dropped a message for her. Call a tang thei lawa chuan message kat nu chiam ei. Please don't hang up the call. Khonga in call kada su. Give your phone to your sister. I want to talk. Phone ka yu na nu pete ka bedu